Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to unlink WhatsApp from other devices. First thing first, you need to open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp app on your Android smartphone. Now tap the three-dot menu located at the top right corner of your screen. Now select Linked Devices. This will display a list of all devices currently connected to your WhatsApp account. Just choose the device to remove, just tap on it and log out from. Just confirm by tapping Logout to disconnect that device from your WhatsApp account. Just a tip, if you suspect unauthorized access, it's also a good idea to change your WhatsApp PIN and enable two-step verification for added security. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.